There's also a feature called lead nurturing, which a lead is someone who's already given you their contact information. Maybe they've downloaded a PDF file from your website, or they've watched a video where they had to put their email in to access the video content. And once you get these leads, once you capture these leads into your database, probably not all of them are going to be ready right away to sell to. Maybe some of them are just looking for information. Maybe some of them are just students researching your company, or researching the industry, and they're not really even part of an institution that would buy the services or product that you're offering. Perhaps they're not even aware that they have the problem that you're solving, but you produced a really interesting piece of content that they wanted to look at or wanted to download. And so the leads that come into a database are coming in all at different points. Some of them are ready to be sold to right away, others not so much. And so lead nurturing helps to send the right content to the people who, based on what stage they are in their buying process. So from recognizing the problem to searching for more information about it, to evaluating all the alternatives that they have to solving the problem, to deciding on what the best solution would be. And then even to the post-purchase evaluation after they've become clients. What are they interested in? What kind of feedback can they give us? And how can we sell to them again? Or how can we get them to refer new clients to us based on their experience? And in this, you can use all kinds of different types of content, like blog articles or videos or social posts, market studies, case studies. Those are often very common, especially in B2B marketing, business-to-business marketing. And so all of these can be used in lead nurturing. And it's really important to understand in marketing automation that the purchase decision isn't necessarily linear. So if you're working for a company and you are in charge of finding a software solution for a problem that your team is having, then you're probably you might already have an idea of what kinds of brands can solve that problem, or you may have no idea what kinds of brands can solve that problem. You may have an idea of what kinds of features you want, or you may be totally in the dark about what features you need for your team. And so people will come into that, to your database in a lot of different stages and using a lot of different channels. Maybe they come in through your website directly. Maybe they found you through a Google search. Maybe they found you through a social media network or a referral. Someone forwarded you an email. And so with all of these different channels and all of these different touch points, the buying and purchasing decisions look more like a zigzag than really a very straight line.